Love, warmth, relaxation. Your home should be comfortable, safe, and easy to navigate, including getting up and down your stairs. Take the effort out of climbing steps with the Bruno Elite Indoor Stairlift. The Bruno Elite Stairlift blends high-quality performance with luxury styling. Generous padding on the chair lets you ride in comfort, and operating the stairlift is easy. Take a seat, clip the retractable seatbelt, push the armrest control, and the Bruno Elite will gently glide you up the stairs. When you arrive at the top of the steps, simply pull up the lever and the seat will swivel up to 90 degrees, extend, and lock in place. This allows for a safe exit away from the stairs. The Bruno Elite features a unique vertical rail with a covered gear rack that installs close to the wall for maximum open space for family members and pets. When the stairlift is not in use, the arms, seat, and footrest fold to save even more space. Bruno's Elite is made in America, features a 400-pound lift capacity, and a limited lifetime warranty. With dependable battery operation, a Bruno Elite is ready when you need it, even in a power outage. The stairlift is continually charging anywhere it stops on the rail. For additional peace of mind, safety sensors on the Bruno Elite will gently stop the stairlift if any obstruction is sensed on the steps. Bring back smiles and safety to your home again with a Bruno Elite Indoor Straight Stairlift. Find out more by contacting your local Bruno dealer today.